What's up, everybody? And today I'm building a better forest. You guys follow me. Oh, I'm gonna do it in the middle there. So I need the edges. I need walls. My cupcake getting in the way. Oh, I think this is good for right now. Probably like right there. Rip it off. It's gonna be a long video, probably. Well, no, it won't. Okay. Because I have somewhere to go. See you guys. We'll get probably the rest of the videos. Yep. Look. These tons, please. Hey, what are you doing? Getting in my way? I'm building forest. I'm building forest, but better. Ooh. Now you guys get it. Okay, this might be enough. Let me just do that. That. Now I hear somebody else in my lobby. My friend was in my lobby, but now he's not. And I'm hearing steps when I'm not stepping. It's scaring me. This is big enough, right? I think it is. I'm not even sure. Tell me in the comments if you guys are watching this. If it's good. You guys will probably get like 2 parts of each, because now I need walls. I need them to be taller. It'll be like 5 each. So like about like, so that's 3, that's 4. Maybe a few taller, maybe like 6 more. No. Probably like 2 more. I would say 2 more. Just for the height. That's a good height. Oh, I need them a lot again. Yeah, guys, I'm going to rebuild forest. Maybe touch it up a bit. Oh my god. There is a lot. I'm gonna do like sides. I need them to be a bit further that way. Okay. Each column. This might take a while, guys. You might get like 2 parts of each map or 3. This is gonna take a hell of a lot to take apart, though. I don't know if I should do walls this big. I think walls should be. Because let me just like become like those walls. I mean, that's like perfect size. Because like I can barely. You can wall run, but like get out of the map. Simple ice terrain. I make some of it slippery. So that I don't have to use like so much of those. Where did my camera go? Oh my god. Ah! Few more. Oh. Need to. Oh. My friend is calling while joining a call. This video might not be that long because I have a sport to play soon. But, okay. Whee. Oh yeah, that's good. So guys, yeah, forest might not be that easy. City might not be easy. None of the maps are gonna be easy. So I'll be right back, guys. My friend is doing something. Okay, guys, he's just
Alright, let me
leaving.
test something real quick.
What? What are you testing?
I wanna give me a 1x1.
A 1x1? What?
Ugh. Do
So 3.
this.
One, 2.
Yeah, Walker. No need for slippery walls.
4, 5. No, I want slippery walls.
No, but here's the thing. It doesn't work.
Yes, it does.
It doesn't. Just, I'll try. Look. Look, you see over here? Boom, I can get up there.
Yeah, that's the thing. I'm making tutorial right here.
I have an idea.
What?
So, you know how when you try to wall climb all the way up, and even if you once you get past slippery walls,
Yeah.
like you get blown away, right?
Yeah.
So how about we add?
Add the wind thing
Where is it?
and
No,
like
this.
put this.
Put it here so they get blown away instead of slippery walls.
No, like I
So the
put
ice kind of looks ugly.
like that.
No, like this. We get both one like this.
That wouldn't work though.
What?
I'm just gonna do slippery walls because it's not really supposed to be forest. I'm rebuilding it and I'm making it better. And I just want to do like slippery because I don't want to use too many like grassiest. Can you help place the blocks?
Yeah, 1 sec.
Cause I'm like.
Yeah, it works.
Let me try. Put it like at the edge where like the wall climb thing so that I can actually like get up.
Like right there. You get blown away.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea. Maybe we do that with slippery.
It farther?
Maybe we do that with
What?
slippery.
What?
Maybe let's do it with slippery because we have to make this as accurate as we can.
Yeah, but the slippery walls just kind of looks ugly, to be honest.
I like it. Stump
Yeah, if we place it like this,
will
so
be
perfectly
right
away,
there.
you get blown away.
Stump is right here. Ugh. Is my camera still following?
This looks so good.
Maybe make the vent, maybe make like the wind vent go higher so that once you reach slippery, it blows you.
Nah. We don't want them to reach slippery.
Yeah.
This looks perfectly awesome. We can just put them on each corner.
Yahoo! Wait, where do I select like the cake birthday stuff? I thought it was there. Okay, so stump is like right there.
Can you wall run up there? Because I feel like you might be able to. I can kind of. Like, it might be possible to wall run up there. Yeah, you can get up there.
It's fine. You can't get up there. You can remove the ice if you want.
No, I want to keep it.
I don't know. I just feel like it makes it look ugly.
I don't think so. Who joined?
Where are you?
Probably Owen.
Hello?
Guys, where are you? Come to Stump.
Who is this?
Don't come to Stump.
Who is this?
Walker, it's a rando. Just don't come to Stump.
Where are you?
Who are you?
I joined a code with my friends.
Well, he didn't join.
Guys, where are you?
I'm trying to make something right now. Like,
Wait, save it so he doesn't ruin it.
what? No, I can't save that.
Save it.
It's not a savable thing.
Where are
It
you
is.
guys? Which map are you in?
They're not here.
I'm trying to find you.
Yep, I saved it.
No, it's not savable. You saved this, Hattie.
It is. What?
You saved this. You can only save these things.
No, you can save everything.
No, you can't. This thing just stays there. It doesn't save. It stays
No,
there.
no. You can save everything.
No, you can't, Hattie.
I do it a lot of the time. I save my builds.
Yeah,
Even when my friends work on it, it
here.
works.
Here. Don't you dare come near our build. Oh, you're a cowboy hat. Damn me up. Oh, you missed. Where? I like fellow cowboy hats, but please don't destroy my
Can I
build.
help? What are you trying to build?
Our
How
build-
long has this video been? 23 minutes. God. Where is... Oh, wait.
Okay, Walker, so I made it so you can't climb the wall.
Oopsie.
Like, no matter what.
Whoa, what are these?
You can't climb the wall because of the wind. The wall running won't work.
Wait, I'm coming. I'm coming. Move away. Gimme.
This terrain's so flat here, so you can't walk on it.
What, you're making a terrain? It's a terrain?
Ah,
We're making forest.
Take those stuff out. Oh. I don't like this. I want to get out of the map. Well, actually, I'm helping. Where are the pieces?
I need that. Sorry, camera. Did I just place that down? Give me that back.
you think this
I'm
is
gonna add the
gonna
trees
hurt?
now.
No, don't add the trees yet.
Why?
Because we need to work on the walls. That's what I need right now. All the walls. I'm doing
Also
the
labels.
I'm doing the outside before the inside. What time is it? Oh, I have to go. Well, guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.